Okay, here's some more Christmas presents. Okay, stand back there. No, go back there. Go back there.
So people can actually see what
Yeah,
you're doing.
okay.
Open it.
Open it up. See what you get. Everybody just got done with their shower.
Get in there. Pull.
Open. What you got? Open yours, Karen. What have you got?
He's got shoes.
No, you don't have shoes. Oh, what's cool? What is it? Oh. Woo-hoo. This is cool.
Wow, you got ostrich or something.
Let me open.
What'd you get, Leah?
Daphne.
This is for Miss Chastity. Hurry. Help her open it. What'd you get?
A rainbow maker.
Wow.
All right.
Wow, cool. That's what you wanted.
Here, ostrich.
What'd you get, Tapley?
Rip into that thing. Sorry, David. Cool. You got paint.
Wow, cool.
That is cool.
Okay, everybody look at the camera and say thank you.